because for this particular car, it actually need a key to remove the lug nut. One of the lug nut, it prevents theft. So that's what I'm doing. Basically, what you want to do is loosen the lug nut first for the one with the key, so the better access, for better to take it out later. Go. Once it's loose, just take it out by your hand. There you go. So when we remove one of the lug nuts with the key, we just jack up the car and remove the whole tires. And that's what I'm doing. Jack up the car and use the jack stand as well for safety, extra reach. Let's see. So more. Stay on the bottom. Fine. Perfect. Just to remove the lug nut. One. Here comes the tires. I used the one with the key last. Okay. Go. Sure it goes in nice and smooth. There you go. It's in. So that's in by your hand this time with the go. It's just tight. There you go. We're good.